Welcome once again. In this session, let us see how to convert the units of one physical quantity into the other. Before that, let us see the types of system of units. Types of system of units. Types of system of units. Okay. All the system of units are converted into the three types. First one is MKS system. Second one is CGS system. Third one is FPS system. FPS system is also known as British system. Clear? Now, let us see one by one. First one, MKS system. MKS system. So in this system, M stands for the meter, and notation is M, and it is the measurement of length. L. Similarly, K stands for kilogram. Notation is kg, and it stands for the mass, which is capital F. Fundamental quantity is capital. The third one is second. S stands for the second. Yes. So this is the time expressed for the fundamental quantity T. So all the fundamental quantities M, L, T, mass, length, and time are expressed. Mass in the kilogram, length in the meters, time in the seconds. And be careful, the notations are here. The notations are meter is M, and mass is kg, and time is second. Okay, this is the MKS system. Now, let us see the second one is CGS system. CGS system. In the CGS system, C stands for centimeter, and notation is cm. It is for the length, and fundamental quantity is L. Similarly, the G stands for the gram. Notation is gm. It is the mass, capital M. And finally, the S stands for the second. So notation is yes. It is for the time, fundamental quantities. So all the above are expressed in the three types. One is length in centimeters, mass in the grams, and time in the second. This is the CGS system. Similarly, Third one is a British system, and this British system is FPS system, and this system, the F stands for the foot, and the foot is simply the notation is FT, and it is the measurement of length L. The second one is P stands for pound, notation is LB, and measurement of mass, clear? Capital M, fundamental physical quantity. The third one is second. That second is S, which is time measurement. Notation is fundamental quantity T. So hence, all are measured in the three. One is length in the feet, and in mass in the LB, pound, time in the seconds. Be careful that this FPS system, earlier we used it to do, but nowadays we are using only the MKS and CGS systems. Clear? Right. Let us see the another system of unit, that is MKS system. Further, can be converted into the SI system also. SI stands for the International System of Units. That means, if you know MKS system, you can convert into the CGS system and vice versa. From the CGS, you can convert into the MKS system. And if you want to convert further MKS system into the SI, you can also do it as well. Clear? Now here I am clearly writing that CGS can be converted into the MKS, and MKS further can be converted into the SI system. So nowadays, SI system is international system, which we frequently make use of to express all the units. Clear? Let us see this with one good example. Okay, here I am taking an example of the physical quantity. Example, velocity. I am taking velocity. What is the definition of velocity? Displacement. Displacement by time. Okay. Now, let us see the dimension formula for this. Dimension formula for this is distance is L, time is T. So L T minus 1. Let us see the units of this. Units. Okay. Let us see all the three systems. So first one, let us see the MKS. MKS system. The units are length is from the dimension formula, length is meter and time is seconds. Similarly, in the CGS system, length is centimeter, time is seconds. In the FPS system, FPS system, so feet, length, time is second. That means, given a physical quantity, velocity, we can write its definition. And from that definition, we can go for a dimension formula in the fundamental quantities, mass, length, time, we can express. Thereafter, from the dimension formula, we can convert it into the system of units. MKS system, CGS system, FPS system. In the MKS, length is meter, time is second. In the CGS, length is centimeter, time is second. And in the FPS, length is feet and time is second. These are the units. Is it clear? Means if you want to find out the units of any physical quantity, first you should know the definition, then the dimension formula in the fundamental quantities, then you can write its units in the required system of units. Clear? Now, let us see the conversion as well as is conversion. I am putting the conversion of units. Conversion of units. Clear? Now, same example I am taking. I want to convert the units of velocity. Units of velocity. What are the units of velocity? That is meter per second. In the CGS, it is the centimeter per second. FPS, we are leaving it. So I want to convert for conversion. For conversion, I want to know 1 meter per second. 1 meter per second of velocity is equal to how many centimeters per second? This I would like to know. Clear? 1 meter per second of velocity is equal to how many meters of how many centimeters per second I would like to. Okay. Now, for this one, I am making use of a simple formula. The formula is N1 U1 is equal to N2 U. N2 U. Clear? N1. Okay. Original system of units quantity. Or you can write quantity of original system of units. And U1, units of original system from which you want to convert. The second thing is N2, quantity of required system, or simply we can say that new system in which you want to convert. New system in which you want to convert. Okay. The U2 is units of new system in which you want to convert. Units of new system in which you want to convert. Is it clear? No. The same velocity I want to convert. Just now I have shown the velocity. I want to convert the same velocity. Observe 1 meter per second of velocity is equal to how many in centimeter per second? In centimeter per second. Clear? Original unit is what? Original unit is this original. I want to convert from this original unit. Clear? And required unit, new system of units is what? New system of units. Clear? So how many quantity of units I would like to convert? This is the number of quantity I would like to convert. And to how many? This is how many. Clear? So here, in this case, this is N1, number of units of original quantity to be converted. And original units are U1, meter per second, from which you want to convert. And to the number of unit quantity N2, a new system of units is U2. U2 is centimeter per second. Clear? Now, observe. Simply substitution. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. This is the formula. So N1 is how much? 1. 1. And original unit is what? Meter per second. N2 is, we don't know. And U2 is centimeter per second. Clear? Now observe. Here, 1 into 1 meter is how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Second. N2 is centimeter per second. So here, centimeter per second on both sides goes. N2 is equal to how much? 100. N2 is, so hence, here, final conclusion is 1 meter per second is 100 centimeters per second. Solution. Okay. So like this, you can convert MKS into the CGS or vice versa also possible. I conclude this session. Let us see in the next session. Okay. Right.